What's the meaning of aid? Aid. 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 The term aid refers to the act of providing assistance or support to someone or something. This assistance can take many forms, such as financial aid, medical aid, or humanitarian aid. The goal of aid is typically to help improve a situation for the recipient in some way, whether that be relieving suffering, promoting development, or achieving a diplomatic goal. Despite its positive intentions, aid can sometimes have unintended consequences and has been the subject of debate and criticism in international development circles. Overall, aid is a complex and multifaceted concept that plays a critical role in global affairs.